Short NonFiction Empire. Review, Mega Bonus Pack in Download Area. Short NonFiction Empire aims at making Kindle accessible to the average Joe, not just prolific writers. You can make money without writing a single word, if that's what you want. Your customers will learn how to quickly create and release short non-fiction books in profitable genres and niches, and how to make the small number of sales per book add up to a sizable income per month. Short Non-Fiction Empire. Inside the course, they'll learn the secrets to how to structure their short book publishing business model for maximum earnings, how to find profitable but low competition niches to write your short books on, how to quickly research and write short books in a few hours, outsourcing secrets for non-writers, how to create eye-catching covers in minutes for free or outsource the same for a few bucks tops, how to choose and write the perfect title and subtitle for maximum sales, how choosing the right keywords will make all the difference, and how to choose the right ones for your books, how to use your title, subtitle and keywords to tap into Amazon's massive search traffic, how to write the perfect description that converts more of your landing page visitors into buyers, pricing secrets for your short books, how to publish your books, and some tips to start getting sales. If they did everything I teach in the previous lessons, they should start getting sales and page reads hours after their book gets published. This is a comprehensive course on exactly how to start a short book publishing business on Kindle. They'll learn everything they need to start the business and get it off the ground, from A-Z. This training has 14 videos of theoretical and over-the-shoulder videos to teach them everything they need to know about this business model. They won't need another resource to start this business model. This course contains 2 complimentary autos to help them in their Kindle short book publishing journey as well. Plus, as a free bonus, your subscribers will get a free Kindle Books cover download software. The software itself is worth more than the price of the course. Short Non-Fiction Empire. Front end, $13. Short Non-Fiction Empire. This is an almost 3-hour video course that, in this course, I'll take your customers from point A to point B, a successful short book publisher. I don't assume that the customer has any experience in Kindle and teach them exactly how to set up a short book publishing business. I teach them how to pick a good niche, how to write a short book fast, how to outsource the book for cheap if they don't feel like writing them, how to price their books right, how to use keywords to tap into Amazon's search traffic, and so much more. Once they finish the book, they should be able to pick a good topic, write or outsource a short non-fiction book on the same, publish it, and start seeing sales trickling in. That's the goal. Review, Mega Bonus Pack in Download Area.